Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase code efficiency with GitHub easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of code efficiency. Set up a GitHub repository for your project if you haven't already. Clone the repository to your local machine to begin working on your code. Make sure to use meaningful commit messages to track your changes effectively. Implement version control in your workflows to organize different features. Utilize branches to work on features without affecting the main codebase. Regularly merge changes from your branches back to the main branch. Review pull requests from team members to identify potential improvements. Leverage GitHub Actions to automate repetitive tasks and streamline your processes. Take advantage of GitHub projects to manage tasks and track progress. Use issues to document bugs, enhancements, and tasks, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Incorporate code reviews to maintain quality and catch inefficiencies early. Optimize code by using tools like linters and formatters integrated within your workflow. Utilize GitHub's built-in analytics to monitor repository performance and identify bottlenecks. Engage with the open source community by contributing to other projects. Continuously learn from others by examining efficient coding practices in popular repositories. Finally, remember to keep your documentation up to date to aid in future efficiency improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.